everyone, I'm going to show you 4 different ways to make omelet sandwich. First, we can wipe some oil onto the pan so our omelet won't stick to the pan. Then let's crack the egg. The seasoning I added for this omelet is turmeric powder, garlic powder, ground pepper, hemp seeds, and of course salt to taste. Make sure you spread the seasonings all around, then just cook it to your desire and flip and cook the other side. Next one, I'm showing 2 different omelets. I'm adding fennel and cumin powder to one omelet, and the other one I'm adding white sesame seeds. Spread the seasoning and cook it to your desire. This last one I added flaxseed powder, hemp seeds, and white sesame seeds. When you're done cooking the omelet, toast 2 breads and enjoy the omelet sandwich. Let me know which one you liked in the comments below. Enjoy your seasoned omelet sandwich. For kids, you can spread some butter on each sides of the bread. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you later.